All right, so this is going to be how to use a graphing calculator to find a regression line, specifically using Desmos. Okay, so we have this table right here. This table shows life expectancy for people born in the US. We have their birth year, we have their life expectancy, and it's asking us to use the graphing calculator to make a scatter plot of the data, find an equation for the line of regression, and then use the equation to predict life expectancy of a person born in 2025. So we're going to find an equation. That's what we're going to do first. Okay, so open up Desmos, which is you want the graphing calculator. Up in the top left corner, hit the plus sign and then click table. And we're going to use this to fill in the x and y values from the table that we were given. Okay, so birth year is going to be our x because it's having to do with time. So go ahead and plug those numbers in: 1980, 83, 90, 95, 2000, and 2006. And then we're going to put the life expectancy: 73.7, 74.6, 75.4, 75.8, 76.8, and 77.7. Okay, so notice how right now I can't see those points. I can't see any of those ordered pairs, so I'm going to click on this little magnifying glass, and it will take me to the portion of the graph that will allow me to see those points. So we see it has a nice positive linear relationship. The correlation seems to be pretty strong because those lines, or excuse me, those points seem to be in a tight cloud. So now let's tell Desmos, hey Desmos, I want an equation for the line of best fit. So we're going to tell Desmos the following. Okay, start a new line, keep your table, and we're going to tell Desmos I want y1 to approximate. So you're going to click that little squiggle. That is found hitting shift and the key right next to the number 1 on your keyboard. Or you can also find the little squiggle by, let's see, going into the Desmos keyboard, clicking ABC. It is also right there. Okay, so I want y1 to approximate to be approximately close to slope-intercept form, so mx1 plus b. And so notice that a line has shown up. You have to be very careful. Make sure that you have y1 and x1 here, because x1 and y1 are the values where you've put the numbers in your table. Sometimes if you create another table, this changes to x2, y2, and you would need to then adjust your regression part as well, because otherwise Desmos will give you an error. Okay, and so what we care about to get our regression equation are these parameters. So we see, okay, m, which is our slope, is approximately 0.144, and then b, which is our y-intercept, is approximately negative 211.432. So we're going to use that information to write our equation in slope-intercept form. So the prediction equation would be y equals, if you give me 3 decimal places, that'll usually make me happy, 144x minus 211.432. And then for this next task, we want to use it to predict the life expectancy of a person born in 2025. The big picture with this, we're going to plug in 2025 for x. So 0.144 times 2025 minus 211.432 is what we want. Go back to Desmos. Type it in very carefully, 0.144 times 2025, close your parentheses, minus 211.432, and we see that it would be 80.168 years of age. So 80.168 years. So this means that a person born in 2025 would expect to live until they're approximately 80 years old. Okay, that is how you use Desmos to find regression. Just create your table, and then type in y1 squiggle m x1 plus b, and then use your parameters to create your equation in slope-intercept form. If you have a TI-84, there will be a separate video for that.